Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Honda CR-V. First, park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Gather your supplies, including a new oil filter, a fresh drain plug washer, and 4 quarts of 0W20 synthetic motor oil. You'll also need a drain pan, a wrench, and an oil filter wrench. Once you're ready, carefully slide under the front of your CR-V. Locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your wrench, loosen and remove the drain plug. Let the old oil drain fully into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Be sure to replace the old drain plug washer with a new one. Next, locate the old oil filter. It's usually a cylindrical canister. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove it. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps ensure a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. With the new oil filter in place, reinsert the drain plug with its new washer and tighten it firmly. Now, open your hood and locate the oil fill cap. Carefully pour in 4 quarts of the new 0W20 synthetic motor oil. Replace the cap, start your engine, and let it run for a minute. Finally, turn it off, wait a few minutes, and check the oil level with the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.